Hey guys, A-Rod's RC back to give you a quick tip on what I have found to be the easiest, quickest way to install the tedious RC four-wheel drive mini bead locks. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew these screws, not all the way, so they just kind of stay lodged into the top piece of the rim. As a lot of you may know, these aren't the easiest things to install because of the lining up and all that stuff. Almost there. I don't like to take them all the way out because these are little screws and they're just a pain to get back in. This is my third wheel, so my hands could be a little shaky by now, but the last one that I did went amazingly quick. So I thought I'd make a quick, helpful tip video on how to do that. So, little guy fell out. You need like a flat cylinder. What I have is a old like torch base here. Flat on bottom, flat on top. I place that on top. I might have to take these screws out anyways, huh? Turns out you do have to take them out. No, you don't. Alright, got your things all out here. I'm gonna install the ring inside the tire. Make sure we're all good in there. Good to go, good to go. We're gonna insert our main. Here, let's get it out of the way for now. Deep part of the wheel here. Make sure we're good to go. Kind of give it the couple go rounds. Make sure it's seated like it's supposed to be. Come to the other side. Mess with that a little bit. Make sure we're good to go as well. Make sure you didn't mess up the back. I think we're good. So, hopefully this goes as smoothly as it has been going. Go like so. You also need this guy. This headlamp of any sorts will come in handy to see these tiny holes that you have to line up with. But it helps a whole lot. Boom, lined up because I can see, because of the headlight. Hands are a little shaky. Like I said, this is my third wheel of the morning, and I have had a strong cup of coffee. Make sure your holes are lined up like they should be. this isn't. Let's see here. Let's try this again. Rotate our top wheel to get it lined up with the holes inside. Rims just aren't lining up on this bad boy. Let's try that one. Steady hands there, bud. Okay. That caught. This one as well. Boom. Now, besides my little struggle with lining up the wheels, the previous wheel before this was super easy. Boom. 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 They are lined up. The holes are. First time it wasn't, that's why this took me a little bit longer than it should have. That and my hands are a little shaky. Kind of give it a go once over before you fully tighten everything. Now I think this bead isn't fully locked there, so I'm gonna have to redo that. But here's the one that I just did previous. Boom. Here's the other two that I did last night. Some kind of podium or base to set that little back piece on, or the back piece that holds them together, is what makes this a lot easier, instead of having to hold it with your finger or setting it there and squeezing the wheel down. If you have something like this, similar, boom, makes it a lot easier. hope this helps you out in installing your RC4 wheel drive or any kind of beadlock wheels that are similar to this for your mini crawler. Until next time, peace out from A-Rod's RC.